Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify, your go-to channel for all things crypto and finance. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Phantom wallet address in just a few easy steps. First things first, let's open the Phantom wallet. If you haven't installed the Phantom wallet extension yet, head over to the Chrome Web Store and search for a Phantom wallet. Once it's installed, click on the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar. When you click on the Phantom wallet icon, it will open the wallet interface. If your wallet is locked, you will need to unlock it. Simply enter your password and you are in. Now that your wallet is unlocked, let's find your wallet address. You will see a few options at the top of the wallet interface. Click on the Wallet tab if you are not already there. Your wallet address is located right at the top of the page, just under the Wallet tab. It will be a long string of letters and numbers. To copy your wallet address, simply click on the address itself. You will see a small notification saying "Copied" appear briefly. This means your wallet address is now saved to your clipboard. You can now paste your wallet address wherever you need it, whether you are sending it to someone or using it to receive crypto. One extra step you might want to take is verifying that your wallet address was copied correctly. You can paste it into a text document or wherever you are using it to double check the entire address is accurate. Remember, even a small mistake in the address can result in a failed transaction, so it's always good to verify. And that's it. You have successfully found and copied your Phantom wallet address. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might need it. Also, let me know in the comments below if there are any other crypto tutorials you would like to see on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tuned and stay informed with Financify.